How to make slideshow images clickable on Shopify. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create clickable images in Shopify. So if you are adding a banner or a slideshow, how you can make that a clickable banner. And I'll show you guys the difference between the default version that is present on Shopify versus what we are trying to do. So just as an example, I will open up my Shopify store over here and I'll just add this section at the top and I am going to be creating a image banner. So I have this image banner over here. I'll move this to the top. I already had an empty banner, but okay, so I just created this new image banner. Now, as you guys can see, I can add an image. So I'll just select two images that I want to add like so. Now, once you have added your images, you don't necessarily have any type of options to make the image itself clickable. You definitely can add info on top of the banner where you can add a link, you can add descriptions, but let's say you don't want to add buttons and you don't want to include a description and you want to remove, all of the content on top. If you just want to make these images clickable, if I click on the details over here, on the left, there is no option to directly make this clickable. So I'll show you guys how we can convert this into a clickable slideshow or a clickable image. So I'm going to click on exit over here, and we are going to be using this code. Now, this code is a simple code that you can copy and paste. We're not going to make any changes or edits by ourselves. All you have to do is copy it from the link down below. So you can just open that link and I will have this banner code that is going to be linked. So what we're going to do is we're going to head on over to Shopify. Once we go into Shopify on the left, we're going to click on Online Store. So open up your Shopify dashboard, click on Online Store on the left. Once you've done that, you can take one precautionary step. So some people feel a bit nervous when they're making edits to their code. And if you don't want to take a risk on the code of your store, or you just want to be safe, you can click on these three dots over here and then click on duplicate. Once you click on duplicate, this will add a duplicated version of your store to the theme library. Now, the purpose of adding a duplicate version in your theme library is because in case you don't like the new code or you don't like any of the changes you made, you can revert back to the original version that is going to be the current version of your Shopify store. Now, once we have taken our precautionary step, we can click on these three dots and then click on Edit Code. Once you click on Edit Code on the left, you are going to see on the left, you have a bunch of different folders with so many different files. So you're going to search for image dash banner. And once you search for image dash banner, it will display this code. So under sections, you will find this file, which says image dash banner.liquid. Once you click on this, all of this code will open up and you have to delete all of this. So just select it from the top to the bottom. It ends at end schema and just click on delete. Don't worry, we're going to be replacing this, so you don't have to worry that your Shopify store is going to become empty. Now you're going to copy this code. So simply copy the code that is provided in the link down below. And you're just going to copy all of it. Make sure to copy it like so, and then click on paste. Now, here is where I see a lot of people making a really simple mistake. You guys can see on paste bin, we have this code and it usually starts with a bracket and ends at a bracket as well. So sometimes people do this and they think, oh, my code is not working or the code is broken because they accidentally miss out on the first bracket. So this is really important. If you don't even include one tiny bit of this code, the code is going to be rendered useless. So ensure that you are copying the entire thing. And it ends at end schema, percentage, and then a curly bracket. So make sure you're copying it till the bracket. and then you're going to just paste that in the image banner.liquid. Once you do that, you are going to click on save. And once you have saved this, it's time to add links to your image banners. So you're going to click on exit on the top left. And once you click on exit on the top left, you're going to click on customize. Once you click on customize, you're going to select your image banner. And on the top, you will now see the option on the top left, the option to add a link. So you can paste in any link that you want. You can even link to pages that are present within your Shopify store. This is totally up to you. I'll add a link to a completely different website like so. And I want to open this in a new tab. Now, these images are clickable, and if someone clicks on it, they will be led to that website. Or you can even link to your own products. Mostly people are linking to their own products. So I'll just show you guys what it's going to look like in action. So we're just going to click on save from the top right. Once you do that, you can exit back. And this is what my store looks like. This is my image banner. And if I click on it, this opens up the completely different site. Now, if you want to add your own products, usually when you are creating these clickable banners or slideshows or clickable images, you want to link people to the product that is being displayed. So if you want to do that, you are going to click on customize. And there is a really easy way to do this. Just select your banner, then go into the search bar where it says link, and you will display the collections and products. So I want to link directly to this eyeshadow palette product. So I'm going to click on product, and then I can select the product that I wanted to link to. So I wanted to link to the cool eyeshadow. Then below that, you also have the choice whether you want this to open up in a new tab or the current one. So I'm going to choose the current one for now, and then just click on save. Once you click on save, we're going to exit and view our store again. So this is our store, and if I click on it, this opens up the eyeshadow. And just like that, you can create clickable banners or slideshows in your Shopify store. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to get started with making clickable images. If you did find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries regarding Shopify, leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say. And if you're looking to add links to columns, so if you have columns that you want to make clickable within your Shopify store, make sure to check that video out as well. And I will catch you guys in the next video.